Welcome to English speaking practice. Get ready for a lively interactive lesson with noisy neighbors, a fun exploration to present continuous tense and daily routines. Like always, the link to download the slideshow will be in the description.
What's my neighbor doing?
Listen very carefully. Do you know what he's doing? If you know what he's doing, you can guess now. Let's practice saying it in English. You can read with me on the left hand side. It says, oh, he is sleeping. You can see his picture, he's still sleeping. Let's listen to
What's my neighbor doing?
You hear it? What was that? Oh, he is getting up. Nice. See the picture, there's the alarm clock that we heard. Oh, he's waking up. Okay, next one.
What's my neighbor doing?
You know what that was? Oh, he is taking a shower. Nice.
What are my neighbors doing?
So, you hear what he said? He said neighbors. So more than one. What is the neighbors doing? You know what sound that is? Oh, they are having breakfast. So remember to repeat after me. Say the words like I'm saying it. Practice saying the words out loud helps a lot.
What's my neighbor doing?
Oh, he is brushing his teeth. Okay, let's do the next one.
What's my neighbor doing?
Oh, he is vacuuming the carpet. That's a vacuum cleaner, and if you use it, it's called vacuuming the carpet.
What's my neighbor doing?
Oh, he is cooking. See, one's in the kitchen.
What's my neighbor doing?
Oh, he is washing the dishes.
What's my neighbor doing?
Oh, he is watching TV.
What are my neighbors doing?
Check. Oh, they are dancing. Nice, next one.
What's my neighbor doing?
No, he is reading the paper or newspaper. Okay, next one, you're all on your own. Let's try.
What's my neighbor doing?
What's that? You know what that is? Oh, he is feeding the dog. You can see there's the bowl you heard. The dog is barking.
What's my neighbor doing?
Oh, he's washing his clothes.
What's my neighbor doing?
Oh, he is drinking.
What's my neighbor doing?
She is singing. Singing.
What's my neighbor doing?
Oh, that's a nice one. He is playing the drum.
What's my neighbor doing?
Oh, she is using the computer.
What's my neighbor doing?
Hello, Nico. It's your old friend. Remember me?
For sure.
Oh, he's talking on the phone.
What's my neighbor doing?
Almost finished, and remember, you can always go through this yourself. You can always download the slideshow, and I hope you have a nice day. We're almost finished. A lot of water. Oh, he is watering the plants.
What's my neighbor doing?
Okay, last one, guys. Let's listen. What's that? Oh, he is playing video games. So, thank you very much for joining me. I hope you have a very nice day. If that went too quick for you, you can always, like I say, slow down, speak, subscribe. We're always going to bring you new lessons. Follow along, say the words like I'm saying it, and I hope you have a very nice day. Thank you. Bye.